Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming how much RAM and swap your system actually provides. That tells you what Blender must work within. Open the Blender console and run a test render to observe peak memory use. This shows where the problem appears. Once done, remove or relink duplicate high-resolution textures and meshes by using link versus append so you do not load multiple copies. Make sure to save a backup before proceeding. That prevents data loss while you change scene data. Now you optimize the heavy parts of the scene: textures, geometry, and shaders. Downscale 4K maps to 1K or 2K if details won't be seen, and swap full meshes for proxies or instances to cut memory drastically. Once done, bake procedural or complex shaders to image textures so tile-based renderers use less RAM. Make sure to apply non-destructive modifiers only when necessary. Also, decimate unseen geometry and enable object instancing. These actions lower memory footprint during both viewport interaction and final render. Finally, adjust render engine and system strategies to complete the job. Change tile sizes and try GPU versus CPU rendering modes. Sometimes smaller tiles and CPU rendering avoid peak RAM spikes. If local RAM is insufficient, increase swap or offload the job to a render farm or cloud instance with more memory. If you still hit out of memory, simplify the scene progressively and isolate the offending object or shader. Rendering in parts. If things go wrong, try rendering a single layer to identify the exact culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.